We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what I've been up to, so let's get started. Okay guys, so welcome back. So the things you're going to need for this shrimp dinner, it's really easy and it's really yummy. So the first thing you're going to need is a large chopped up onion, some peas. I have just a bag of shrimp. It's 300 grams. Can of carnation milk. A can of mushrooms. I have pasta. This one is spaghetti. You can use spaghetti. You can use fettuccine noodles. You could pretty much use any noodles you want. Garlic. And onion powder, salt, pepper, maybe some milk, depending on how creamy you want it, and then Parmesan cheese. Now I use roughly about a cup of Parmesan cheese. So that's pretty much everything you need for the quick dinner, the easy dinner with shrimp. So let's get started. Okay, so in the pan I have about 2 tablespoons of oil, the onions and the mushrooms, and I'm going to be frying those up until they're golden brown. Okay, so in the pan I have the onions, the mushrooms frying, adding salt, going to add some garlic and onion powder. Now remember, the shrimp does not take as long to cook. It's very, very quick. So just adding some onion powder. Then I'm going to stir it. The onions are almost ready. So the next thing we're going to add is the shrimp for just a couple minutes. I'm not going to let the shrimp cook all the way through because it will keep cooking as I add everything else, so it doesn't get overcooked. So I'm just going to keep frying this for a couple more minutes, and then we're going to put the shrimp in. Okay, so that's pretty good there. So what I'm going to do is add the shrimp. Now I've already cleaned it and I cubed it. So I'm just going to pour them in there and let them cook down for just a couple minutes. And then we're just going to move on because the shrimp will cook as we go. Shrimp does not take long to cook at all. Okay, so the shrimp has a little bit of pink on it now, so that's good because it will keep cooking as we go here. So the next thing I'm going to add in is the peas. Now these are frozen peas, so I'm just giving it a couple seconds, just a couple minutes there to unthaw. They again don't take long. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to add is the carnation milk. And we're going to turn up the heat to medium high and let that come and get that warm to a slight boil. It doesn't have to be rapid boil, but a slight boil. And once it gets to a slight boil, then you're going to add your Parmesan cheese and then toss in your spaghetti. Okay, so it's coming to, you know, a slight boil. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. You could add more, you could add less. It's totally up to you. This will thicken up the sauce. And once you stir that in, you can toss your pasta in and mix that around, and then just let it thicken with the pasta, and then it's ready to serve when you have it to your taste, your thickness. So, and you can put as much or as little pasta as you want. Okay guys, so the sauce has thickened up and now it's ready to serve. The only thing I do left is I shake some Parmesan cheese on the top of it before serving. Just like that. Oops, sorry I knocked you. And that's it. It's ready to go. And that's dinner. Really easy, and it's creamy, and it's really good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.
We will